Jaswant Anand Singlal. I am the founder director of Career Map.
Okay, how was your day? How was the experience in GNPS?
Absolutely, I have already visited in the past, so this is going to be a good experience. And for the first time, we are organizing this kind of career fair, which has never happened in the history of Rourkela.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, may I know your good name, please?
This is Jyoti Sarita and I take care of this department of Career Map.
Ma'am, how's the experience at GNPS 21?
Definitely this is my first time in GNPS, and what I'm seeing is I'm exploring a hell lot of things which I don't explore in other schools. The discipline in GNPS is remarkable. The students here are not only just cute and beautiful, they are just very humble, they are very disciplined, and they are very aspiring what I see right now. I'm very glad I could bring up this many universities. Me, my team and Mr. Jaswant Anand Singlal was able to bring up this, and we hope that we'll be connected to GNPS for further activities also. GNPS is one of those remarkable schools which I have heard from years and years, and right now what I'm seeing is this is something where children will love to come down. Children will love to be here, to be a part of this GNPS, and definitely thank you for having me rather.
Career counseling partner across 30 districts for 22 lakhs students. And that's the way we have started, that's the way we have been branded, we have been moving forward. My team all over the field, either some district, either Malkangiri or Fulbani or some other place, south, east, north and west, for guiding, going to each and government schools and making them aware of career counseling. Recently on 5th of September, our Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha has launched, for all of your information, you should know that, a website in the name of odishacareerguidance.com, which has all sorts of information related to competitive examination or in scholarship, whether it's national, central, state or corporate scholarships. And anybody in the remote part of the district or anywhere in the state, they can go to the website, find out, filter that where I would like to study, whether it's ITI, diploma, BTech or hotel management, everything. It's a 6 months rigorous activity by my team. They've done it and finally it is launched by Chief Minister here in Bhubaneswar.
Faculty members and staff, as you bring PRADARSHAK 2.0 to a close, I am filled with immense pride, gratitude and admiration for the collective efforts that made this event a resounding success.
I am Tanisha Jain from Pantanoor School, and I am here for the career counselling, and I feel very happy and helpful for here. I am Simran Jaiswal, and this fair was really helpful. I gained a lot of knowledge, and thank you for organizing this fair. I came to know about various colleges which will help me in future for sure.
Good afternoon. My name is Suchitra Lenka. I am the academic coordinator of Saraswati Vidya Mandir. I am really very glad to present myself here with my students, as it's a very fantastic program, that is career counseling, which is very much necessary nowadays to students.